Okay, this is our model AGHD-30ELC. This with the heat pump technology. The biggest advantage is energy saving up to 75%, and also can get the top quality of the dried products. We can see this machine, the whole machine with the stainless steel. The inside, also the back side and outside, all with the stainless steel. It is for anti-rust and for longer service life. And also it is very easy to clean. Here with the glasses window, so we can check in the drying status from the window glasses. No need to open the door. We have 4 lockers. It is very durable and can seal the door very well. The machine with 4 wheels, so it is easy to move it. Of course, when you move to the place you want it, you can lock the wheel. All the wheels can be locked. Inside, our airflow is horizontal design, so which means it can blow from left to right, each tray with hot air, so the products can be dried evenly. Okay, the trays we use is food grade SS304. For the mesh trays, we have small ones or big ones, depend on the size of the products. The total, we have 2 options with 36 trays or 70 trays, depend on the density of the products. But the max loading, it is 250 kilos. Okay, this is the external fan. So during the drying, inside of the chamber with the hot air, and this fan will gonna exhaust the cool air. So which means during your drying, you can also get the cool air from this fan. As this machine is heat pump, so there is condensed water come out. It's gonna come out from this pump. We can use a container to load the water is okay. For this model, we use the compressor brand is Hitachi, and the evaporator condenser all with the golden titanium. It is for anti-rust and more durable. For the fans, we use the top brand from China. For this model, the energy consumption is 3 kilowatt per hour. It is very energy saving. The temperature could be varies from 18 to 80 degrees, and the humidity gonna be from 5 to 99%. Also, there's a machine with Wi-Fi. So when you connect your phone with the control panel, you can change the parameters or adjust some parameters to control by mobile. This is the control panel. Here it shows the temperature, the humidity. So when you use, first we should set the temperature, humidity, and other parameters from the control panel. Here we choose the mode we need, the temperature lead, the humidity, the drying time with the different stages. So we set all the parameters. Back to home page, start. The machine will gonna operate. The machine gonna turn off automatically after finish the drying. So maybe you are wondering how to use this machine. When you buy this machine, the machine already installed. So when you receive the machine, you just connect the power cable with the electric box, then can operate the machine. For this machine, we have different voltage and phase for different countries.